What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today is day 4. We're doing the pistol today, the hardest of them all. Wish us luck. And I'm doing with my boy Anime Master / Gucci, channel in description. Anyways, let's get right into the gameplay. Let's do this again. Welcome back, Gucci. And yeah, let's just go.
This is the last one too, y'all. So make sure to subscribe too.
On.
Oh my lord.
Okay, we're gonna take it as slow as possible, right?
Okay, here we go.
Okay, you get those guys. Okay, Act 1 complete. Probably the easiest act of them all. Last time we had so many moments in this level. The shotgun, the easiest weapon. That was so I know, same. What I don't understand is how we're doing better than the shotguns. The shotguns!
Oh, you did? Yesterday. Yeah, all my fault.
Wow, shoot! Nice. Watch out.
Bro, how'd I get hit, man? That's kind of sad. Oh my god.
Last time, I think we were just rushing, and it was not a long-range weapon. That's why we were failing. Shoot! I thought I spawned the one on top of us.
I'll glitch.
Okay. Because I glitched last time, yeah. These things go so far. The pistols might actually be the easiest one. Oh gosh, yeah, I'm screwed. Ouch. Oh, these guys are gonna take forever to kill. Finally. I thought he was dead. Oh, let's go. I got this guy, I got this guy. Nice.
Yeah, here we go. Once we died this far, I'm so mad.
Well, your wish came true.
Oh my god, I almost died.
Holy crap, this leg is really not helping right now. I'm serious, this leg is not helping. From
Bro, can you make it?
like bullets.
Oh my god.
The free.
Jeez,
so is mine, bro. I did. Crit.
I got hit, bro.
Again, bro? Nice. Okay, remember what I said on day one? Remember the plan that we said on day one? Where it was like, we go. Remember when I said plan for the pistols? Just remember what we did for day one. Let's do the same thing now.
Passengers must disembark the vessel.
What the heck happened? Clutch! Oh! That, bro. That was
Oh my god,
intense.
that was intense.
You died
That was
so many
intense.
times, bro.
Nice, okay. Oh my god, you died?
both terrible at aiming.
Yeah.
Okay, let's kill this first guy, and then let's kill the other two with barrels. Okay, we need a plan. Let's get the. Wait, we need a plan. Let's kill the two elites with this thing. This big boy barrel. Freak? That was weird. Run! There you go. Good move. No. Because last time I jumped off in the last video I jumped off. Was that day 3? Yeah, day 3. I jumped off and then I got killed from the guy that spawned over there. Oh my gosh. No, I think it's doing mouthful actually. Cool. Okay, I got this one.
This guy right here. Get out of my way.
Oh, bro.
No freaking way.
Yeah, you glitch every time, cause bro, did you see my clutch attempt last time, bro? I was locked in at the non-elite part. Wait for the first wave.
Okay. I'm gonna try that though.
Get in there.
Right,
glitch in the other corner, dude. Bro.
Thank
it's easier
you.
to do it in the other corner, but okay.
Alright, let me shoot the barrels.
That was clean. Okay, it's good.
Nice, okay.
Let's do this. Lock in. Not gonna do that. Oh my gosh. I'm terrible. I missed the barrel like 4 times. Ah! Nice. Let's go. I'll talk to you. Come here. Nice. Thank you for dying to the barrels. Not dying. Being damaged. Bro, I don't understand how the shotgun took us longer to complete.
Yeah, that makes no sense.
Nice.
That guy almost killed me. He was right here.
Oh,
He was about to kill me, dude.
But that we did it. We did it. Then I got some black and white film. I don't even care, bro. That I didn't even get. Cool. Okay. Potion. High five for the last day of the challenge. Yes, get hyped up, bro. Yes.